everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's recipe, I'll be making delicious Nigerian meat pie. This is what I'll be using for today. I have 1 kilogram of flour, 1 kilogram of flour. I have 2 tablespoons of flour, water, pig milk. This pig milk is optional. If you like, you can use it. I have 2 eggs, 1 Maggi seasoning, grounded beef. I have baking powder, 6 grams of baking powder, salt. I have turmeric. This turmeric is optional. If you like, you can use it because I normally have a stomach ache. Anytime I want to prepare any food, I normally add turmeric. I have potato, 3 potato. I have carrots. I have my egg here. This is 2 egg. I cracked 2 eggs inside my bowl. I have 2 cracked eggs here. I have margarine butter. I'll be using 5 grams of margarine butter. I have oil. That is what I'll be using for today. We start by making the meat pie filling in a pan. Add in your oil. Add in your ground beef. Add in your grounded meat and stir. Add in Maggi seasoning. Add in your turmeric. Add in salt. Add in thyme. If you don't like turmeric, you can use curry powder. I don't like using curry powder. That is why I'm using turmeric. Add in your diced carrot and your diced potato. Add in water. Allow it to cook for 5 minutes. In a bowl, add in your flour. Add in your baking powder. Add in salt. And mix the dry ingredients together. Add in butter. This is margarine butter. And mix it together. And mix properly. Inside my bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of flour. Add in the water and mix it. We are using this one as thickener. We are using it as soup now. Adding water and mix it properly. And add it inside the filling. And mix and stir it together. Adding your pig meat. If you don't like pig meat, you can use water. You can try and use pig meat. Pig meat is very good when you use it inside your meat pie. It comes out perfectly and tasty and miss. If you are using pig meat, you just add a little bit of water, not too much. Cover with a plastic flame. Allow it to rest for 5 minutes. And roll. As you are rolling, don't allow it to be too thick or too thin. I'll be using pot cover. If you have a meat pie cutter, you can use. I don't have it. I'll be use the cover of my pot. And take your egg and brush it inside and close it. And you do the same with the others. You do the same to the others. use a brush and brush the meat pie with the egg. I'll take a fork. This is the meat pie. You can see, so nice, beautiful color. Let me cut it. This is inside. Look at inside. Thank you all for joining me. Until we meet next time. Bye. God bless you all. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to others. Thank you all. May God bless you. Bye.